Hi students, welcome in this online class of Jizavani and Tirtha Vidyalaya Parbhani. Friends, today we have to see the science of standard 6th. In this book we are in the 4th chapter. The name of the chapter is डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट. आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो? आपत्ती व्यवस्थापन. ओके. सो इन दिस चॅप्टर वी हॅव सीन द इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट डिफरंट डिझास्टर. इन दॅट व्हॉट इज मीन बाय डिझास्टर, टाइप्स ऑफ डिझास्टर and information about the earthquake, effect of the earthquake, flood and their effect, as well as storm, forest fire, and the contact numbers in a case of disaster. Okay. After that, remedial and preventive measures we have seen in the last video. Today we have to take the deep information about first aid. In day-to-day life, sometimes we have to face disaster or accident of varying proportion. On such occasion, it is necessary to give some immediate aid even before medical treatment becomes available. See, external bleeding. You can see that in the picture on the screen. If a person is bleeding, first make him sit or lie down comfortably. Keep the bleeding part of the body above the level of the heart and clean it with water. Okay? Clean it with water. Next, and when the damaged part or that bleeding part is above the level of the heart, the flow of blood is minimum and the stability in that patient is occurred. So and that patient remain some time as it is. Okay. After that, you have to clean the bleeding part with the help of clean cloth and water. If there is a Dettol, you can clean with Dettol also. Okay. Next part is burns and scalds or minor burns. In a such situation, what you have to do, that we have to see in the topic. The injured part should be washed with water or held under water. If minor burns, in case of minor burns, आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो? चटका बसणे. तर चटका बसल्यानंतर काय करायचं बघा. द इंज्युअर्ड पार्ट शुड बी वॉश विथ वॉटर और हेल्ड इन वॉटर. चटका बसलेला भाग काय करायचा? पाण्याने धुवायचा किंवा पाण्यामध्ये ठेवायचा. give the victim water to drink. Next, clean the wounds using a cotton swab soaked in an antiseptic solution. Do not apply oily ointment. Next, cover wound using dry dressing. Okay, this precaution we have to take in the minor burns. Next, in serious burn, give emotional support to the patient. Next, cover the wound with a sterilized cloth. In case of serious burn, remove jewelry, shoes, etc. if easily possible. If that is not easily possible, so remain it. Next, do not touch or brush the blister on the skin. Do not touch the blister on the skin. After that, do not apply oily ointment like malam or other substances. Do not try to remove the cloth if it is stuck to the burn skin. Next, if the patient is conscious, give water to drink, but avoid tea, coffee, or other stimulating drinks. Next, get medical aid at once, that is as early as possible, to provide the medical help to that patient. So this is the first aid in case of external bleeding, minor burns, serious burns. The next information about sunstroke, snake bite and dog bite we have to see in the next lecture. So friends, we will stop here. The next information we have to see in the next lecture. Before that, I want to remember one thing to you. You can get more information with the help of this code that is present on the page number 31. With the help of that QR code, scan with the help of mobile, and you can get the more information about this chapter. So friends, the next information we have to see in the next lecture. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.